Audio Jungle.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best cars for young drivers in 2023. Young drivers, or drivers of any age who are new to the road, are different from those who have logged many miles behind the wheel. These young drivers need cars to keep them safe and be easily maneuverable as they get more comfortable with their driving skills. Many typically seek vehicles priced for a modest budget. Finally, they'll want a car or SUV to keep them entertained and connected with the latest tech amenities. We've assembled a list of the best cars and SUVs that meet the needs of the typical new driver. Number 5. The Hyundai Tucson. The 2023 Hyundai Tucson's number 5 ranking is based on its score within the best cars for young drivers in 2023 category. It's easy to see why the Tucson holds a top placement in our rankings of compact SUVs. It has a premium cabin and a smooth ride. And this capable and deserving Hyundai won our 2023 Best Compact SUV for families, so it's versatile enough to accommodate many situations. The 2023 Hyundai Tucson struts a cutting-edge style that stands out among its more sober-looking compact SUV competitors. That doesn't mean that the Tucson sacrifices practicality or affordability. All models have a 4-cylinder engine with 187 horsepower. While this isn't the most energetic powertrain out there, it delivers reasonably peppy performance and solid gas mileage. The EPA estimates that the 2023 Tucson should deliver as high as 26 miles per gallon city and 33 mpg highway with front-wheel drive. The Tucson's rear seat space and cargo area are both larger than the outgoing model, providing more passenger comfort and practicality. The Tucson provides appealing standard features like an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. And every model has driver aids like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. Number 4. The Mazda 3. The 2023 Mazda 3's number 4 ranking is based on its score within the best cars for young drivers in 2023 category. New drivers seeking a car that's a blast to pilot should head straight for the Mazda 3. This model is high on our compact car rankings thanks to its energetic engines and engaging handling. Base models have a 4-cylinder with 191 horsepower, and the engine is a capable partner for daily driving. 2 upgrades with up to 250 horses are available, but they take you a bit above the price limit for this article. The most fuel-efficient Mazda 3 is the sedan with a base 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, which earned ratings from the EPA of 28 miles per gallon city and 37 mpg highway. Although it's priced just like other compacts, the 2023 Mazda 3 aspires to compete with more premium cars, and in many ways it does. The 3 is available as either a sedan or a hatchback, and both are equally as handsome and agile. The Mazda 3 is budget-friendly, but its cabin looks a lot more ambitious. The interior has a premium vibe in line with that of an entry-level luxury car. Plus, this Mazda provides appealing standard equipment, including an 8.8-inch display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Interior cubby storage is adequate, but those who want the most cargo space should choose the sedan, which held 6 carry-on bags in the trunk versus the hatch's 5. Number 3. The Kia Sportage Hybrid. The 2023 Kia Sportage Hybrid's number 3 ranking is based on its score within the best cars for young drivers in 2023 category. Kia debuts the Sportage Hybrid for the 2023 model year. It offers the outstanding fuel economy you expect from a vehicle with a hybrid powertrain, returning up to 42 miles per gallon in the city and 44 mpg in highway driving. With 227 horses under the hood, it's a peppy companion, reasonably quick in the city and able to pass easily on the highway. Beneath the 2023 Kia Sportage Hybrid's unconventional design lies a conventional compact crossover. Although it shares its platform and powertrains with the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid, the Kia's alien mug means it stands out in traffic. According to the EPA, the PHEV model can go 34 miles on electricity alone before the gasoline engine will need to fire up to keep the Sportage moving. The cabin has a modern look and excellent interior materials. It's also quite spacious, with rear legroom that's among the best in its segment. In addition, the rear seats slide and recline to keep things comfortable for passengers on longer commutes. The interior is available in an attractive 2-tone color scheme as an option, but if you prefer something low-key, an all-black cabin is also offered. The center console boasts a rotary shift knob, a push-to-start button, and a myriad of other controls that blend into the piano black bezel. Thanks to bigger dimensions overall as well as a longer wheelbase, the new Sportage has more rear seat legroom than before and 40 cubic feet of cargo space behind the back seat. Standard features include an 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, dual-zone automatic climate control and forward collision warning with pedestrian and cyclist detection. Number 2. The Mazda CX5. The 2023 Mazda CX5's number 2 ranking is based on its score within the best cars for young drivers in 2023 category. The CX5 holds the number 1 spot in our rankings of compact SUVs. It's one of the most athletic picks in its class, offering sporty driving dynamics that don't come at the expense of comfort. It treats passengers to an upmarket cabin with high-quality materials and a sophisticated design. Not only does the 2023 Mazda CX5 deliver on the brand's reputation for athletic handling, it also offers a near-luxury experience for mainstream money. It's this particular blend of nimble road manners and interior refinement that makes the CX5 one of our favorite small SUVs. This SUV's base engine has 187 horsepower, which is adequate for daily driving. A turbocharged powertrain with 256 horses is available but will take you above our $30,000 price limit. The CX5 isn't perfect, although that depends on who you ask, as it's not as spacious as rivals such as the Honda CR-V or the Toyota RAV4. Few compact SUVs can match the Mazda's panache, though, and in a segment full of pragmatic options, the CX5's charms are alluring. Wake up inside the top-tier CX5 models and you might think you've been abducted by kidnappers driving an Audi or a Mercedes. First-rate materials and a fabulous layout make it feel especially upscale. The CX5 has no touchscreen. A knob on the center console governs its 10.2-inch infotainment display. However, the interface is quick to respond and has attractive graphics. And all models have driver assistance features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. Number 1. The Honda Civic. The 2023 Honda Civic's number 1 ranking is based on its score within the best cars for young drivers in 2023 category. Its smooth ride and upmarket cabin helped the Civic land the top spot on our compact car rankings. This Honda comes with standard features that add tremendous value. The list includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 7-inch touchscreen and automatic climate control. All models have driver aids that can prevent accidents, like forward collision warning, lane keep assist and forward automatic emergency braking. For decades, the Honda Civic has given budget-minded buyers a compact car that makes them feel smart for being frugal. The latest generation, including the 2023 model, carries on this tradition and goes beyond, offering handsome interior trim and several features that very recently were considered luxuries. The Civic's combination of value, efficiency, niceties, and refined road manners make it a no-brainer, even when compared to similarly well-respected rivals such as the Hyundai Elantra, the Mazda III, and the Toyota Corolla. 4 engines are available, 3 of which cost less than $30,000. The base engine has 158 horsepower and gets the job done. And you can upgrade to powertrains with 180 or 200 horsepower without paying more than $30 grand. Regardless of the engine, the Civic has excellent driving dynamics, with responsive steering and a suspension that keeps jolts from disturbing the cabin. A streamlined interior design sports clean lines and a dashboard featuring a full-width honeycomb-patterned mesh design element that cleverly hides the air vents. A wide center console appears less cluttered than the outgoing models and features a large, deep bin ahead of the shift lever for stashing smartphones, keys, and road trip snacks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.